A tuple in Swift is a lightweight way to group multiple values into a single compound value. Each value in a tuple can be of any type, and the values don't have to be the same type. In Swift, you can access elements of a tuple using zero-based indexing. For example, if person is defined as let person equals Alice, 30, then person 0 returns the first element Alice, and person 1 returns the second element 30. In this example, the tuple person is defined with named elements, name and age. You can access each value using its label. Person name returns Alice, and person age returns 30. In this example, tuple destructuring is used to unpack the values of the person tuple into separate constants. The line let name age equals person assigns Alice to name and 30 to age, allowing you to use them directly without dot notation. Tuples in Swift are useful for grouping small related values, but they come with several limitations. They are not ideal for handling large or complex data structures because they lack support for methods, computed properties, and custom initializers. Tuples are also not easily extensible. You cannot add functionality to them or inherit from them. Additionally, they cannot conform to protocols like codable, equatable, or hashable unless manually handled, which limits their use in more structured or reusable code. Finally, tuples can become confusing and harder to manage when they contain too many elements, or when the elements are unnamed, reducing code readability and maintainability. Tuples in Swift offer a convenient way to group multiple values into a single compound value. They are especially useful for lightweight, short-term data grouping, where creating a full struct or class would be unnecessary. Tuples support both unnamed and named elements, allowing for flexible and readable code depending on the use case. One of their most common applications is in function return types, where they enable functions to return multiple values without needing to define a separate data model. This makes tuples a practical choice for quick, concise data handling.